What is a nucleotide in DNA biology? Imagine the tiny units that make up the blueprint of all living things. These units are so small you can't see them without special tools. They are the building blocks of DNA, the molecule that holds genetic instructions. So, what exactly is a nucleotide? Well, it is a small molecule made of 3 parts. The first part is a sugar called deoxyribose, which forms the backbone of the DNA strand. The second part is a phosphate group, a molecule that links the sugars together. The third part is a nitrogenous base, which is like a letter in the genetic code. There are 4 types of these bases in DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases are what carry the information needed to build and run living organisms. Nucleotides link together through their sugar and phosphate parts, creating long chains. These chains from the sides of the DNA ladder or the backbone. The bases stick out from the sides and pair up with bases on the opposite chain. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always pairs with guanine. This pairing happens through hydrogen bonds, which are like tiny connectors. This pairing is super important because it helps DNA copy itself accurately when cells divide. It also helps pass genetic information from parents to children. But nucleotides are not just for making DNA. They also play other roles in cells. For example, a nucleotide called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, stores energy that cells use to do work. When a cell needs energy, ATP releases it, kind of like a rechargeable battery. Nucleotides can also act as signals, helping cells communicate and respond to their environment. So, understanding what a nucleotide is helps us see how genetic information is stored, copied, and used to keep living things alive and functioning. Without nucleotides, life as we know it would not be possible. They are tiny but mighty molecules that form the foundation of biology and the story of life itself.